day 2 of this vlog. It's going to be a snowstorm. So I'm going to tag you along for my daily journey. I have to go pay bills, go grocery shopping, and then I will show you as the snowstorm. I'm still having my coffee. I'll show you as the snowstorm starts, and then end my vlog this evening, and then I will start a new one to show you all the snow that we're going to get. So they say it's supposed to be nasty into the weekend. So I will finish this vlog today, and then I will start a new one and show you what we're getting this weekend. It's supposed to start snowing around 4 today. And then I think we're supposed to get a lot of snow tomorrow. So we will see what kind of footage I can get. I'm going out now just so I don't have to go out the weekend. Because I have too much work and I keep on procrastinating and putting things off and doing something else, and I need to stop it. But I have everything printed off for that blanket that I keep on saying that I have to make. But there's no rush for it, so I'm going to get that done this weekend because everything's printed off, cut out, geared, and ready to go. I just got to stick it on the blanket. So that sounds about good. It's going to take me a few hours probably to do this blanket. All the stuff is printed right there. So there's a huge stack. So it is the name of the baby and then all the other stuff that I'm putting on it. So that's interesting. I just finished placing an order online for our vape stuff, which is not entertaining. And so I'm just watching a YouTuber here. She's from the Netherlands. And then finishing my coffee so I can get out of here in 25 minutes. So let's pray I do. Hey guys, what's up? So here is another food haul. Can't get over what I spent. I walked in the store and there was no shopping carts. So I had to carry it all in my arms. So I got a package of chicken for $14. This whole haul is 88 bucks. And I carried it all in my arms. And it's only in 2 bags, which is not a whole lot. So I end up getting a package of pork chops for 13 bucks. But there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pork chops in it, which is a good price. And I got 2 nice size steaks for 12 bucks. Well, $13, $12.97. So right there is like almost 40, 50 bucks for 3 packages of meat. Okay. I don't know the individual prices of most of this stuff, but I think this was $6.99 for a package of mushrooms. And actually, maybe I do know the prices. 2 packages of hot dogs for $11. Package of cheese for $12.99. And 2 bottles of my coffee because I can't go without it. And that was $14 for 2. And a package of onions. I honestly can't remember the price of these. I don't know. But it is so expensive to eat. It's unbearable. So I have made the decision not to do keto. I'm just going to eat healthier in an affordable way. Because I can't afford to pay an arm and a leg for food. As you guys seen, and a vlog before, if you would have seen it, you've seen my keto treats were 60 bucks for nothing. Like nothing. So it's going to be more salads. I'm actually going to buy bread. So Mark will be shocked when he gets home that I have bread. I'm leaving the chicken out for tonight. My fridge so needs to be organized. and like my freezer is empty. So I need to go back out to the stores, and I'm going to a different grocery store this time. So I'm actually going to be going to Sobeys. This was the superstore. So I'm going to go to Sobeys, pick up a few more things, exchange some empty water bottles I have here so we can get water, because I don't want to get stuck in the snow. And where my tires aren't that good, I don't want to have to go back out after or tomorrow unless Mark drives his truck. That's the only way I'm going out. So I want to get everything done today. And I will show you what I get when I come back. So guys, here is round 2 of my grocery haul. So I bought some things that are not keto. But as I said, keto is something really hard to stay on. And honestly, right now, I'm just not up for it. So I got mashed cauliflower, garlic and herb, and a mashed cauliflower, cheddar and bacon. So this haul here was like $130. I got $30 off because I exchanged my water bottles. So I got 2 boxes of sweetener because I'm still not going back to sugar. I'm still minimizing that. Normally we buy the liquid, but they didn't have any at either grocery store. So I got, one second. My tomatoes were wrapped on the inside of the bag. So I got 2 tomatoes. I got cheese slices because I'm craving grilled cheese. Because it seems like everyone I've been watching lately is cooking grilled cheese sandwiches. I got some pepperoni. So this is some cheddar pepperoni. A few packages of bacon. So hopefully you guys can see me well. I'm kind of far away, but I'll leave one package out. I got 2 packages of ham slices. So just slices of ham. I got 2 big ham steaks. Put them in the freezer for now. I got Mark some honey garlic pepperoni. I got a loaf of honey and oatmeal bread. And Caesar salad. Package of hamburger. So this package of hamburger is $10. And that was like the cheapest one I've seen. Like, it's so expensive to eat right now. And then I got a flat of eggs. So 30 eggs. So this, guys, is my little haul for today. I hate to say, but I might have to go back out again because I exchanged the water bottles at Sobeys, but their water lately has been tasting gross and I didn't want to buy it. So I may have to go to back to the superstore again and buy some, because I cannot go without my water. My fridge is getting too full, but I like seeing it that way. Just gonna pile things in until I know I'm not going anywhere, and then I'll fix it up. So, I'm so not sure if I'm going back out. How much water do we have? Okay, now we're good on water. So there's our water cooler. So this here is President's Choice brand instead of buying the Big 8, because honestly, the last bottle I probably wasted more than I drank, because to anybody that really knows me, you knows I'm picky on my water. Oh, I do gotta go back out to my car. I'm really picky on my water, because if it tastes nasty, I ain't drinking it. And the last bottle of Big 8, I swear to God, it tasted like moldy. And it had a bad odor. And it was freaking disgusting. No matter how much juice stuff I put in it, it would not mask the smell and the taste. So, I got this, and there's no smell and taste. So I think I'm going to continue going to the superstore instead of Big 8. Yeah, so let me go back out to my vehicle, grab the stuff I have in there, and then come back in the house. So guys, I just wanted to show you, it's starting to snow now. It's actually picking up quite a bit. I just went out and got gas. That's why there's no snow on my car. But I went out and got gas and some butter at the store and some chips. So my mother and them are on their way out here, taking me pork rinds. They went and made a special trip to Costco. They're crazy. They have to come out here to a store, but they should have just stayed home because they live like 20 minutes to a half hour, depending on the traffic. It's probably going to take them a little bit to get home in this weather. They're just nuts for coming here. Like, I really didn't need the pork rinds that bad. But I don't have a Costco membership no more. So, Mom said she's seen them there, so they went and got them. So I'm trying to make myself grilled cheese on my oat and honey bread. It's been forever since I had grilled cheese. So I just had that craving since I seen other people cooking it when I watch people's videos. And I'm like, oh man, I want some. But I make mine with onions. So I put raw onions in the grilled cheese. And it tastes so good. And I know if my friend Hilda's watching, she loves some onions. I don't know how people can not like onions. Like, let me know in the comments if you like onions or not. Like, look. That is going to be so yummy on my grilled cheese. Like, so yummy. But, so my workload today, I got nothing done yet. Nothing at all. I have to design 2 mugs, 2 t-shirts, which I kind of have done. I just got to send them off to the customer. And that blanket that I have to get done. But I have all weekend. So, just as long as Mark can have it to take to work Monday, I'm good. I look so bright here standing in front of the window. Like my coach. So yeah. So I will check back in a little bit and show you my yummy grilled cheese. I kind of don't want to start making it now because I have a feeling as soon as I start, my mom and them are going to pull in the driveway and I'm going to have to go outside. So I have it all prepped and ready to go. I'm just waiting on them. Mark trying to get in the driveway. Now this is what you call really yummy. It's been so long, but grilled cheese with onions. I went and ate one and forgot to show you guys, but look. Isn't it so yummy? It is yummy. I meant to say, doesn't it look yummy? Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just chilling and relaxing for the evening and wanted to sign off on this vlog and thank you very much for watching yet another video from me. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet, and I don't want to pull this right close to my face. But anyhow, yeah, so don't forget to check out my membership shout out as well in the description below. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.